All right, we're gonna take a slice. No, we're gonna take a, gosh, we're gonna shave some time off this video and cut straight to, no. Spicy. Let's talk about Hanni. Hanni, I actually feel like I'm kind of one with the table right now. All right, so we're gonna start here with the outside of this box, and it's a flood-coated kind of maroonish, brownish maroon, with their brand kind of white and maroon. Show us how you honey. All right, let's dig right in. Well, I lied. Let's not dig right in. They make a point of talking about on their site, and I've got some notes here because they talk about a lot. That this is printed with vegetable soy-based inks, and it's done on FSC corrugated. FSC is the Forest Stewardship Council, and it's really all about kind of replenishing what you cut down and making sure that we're not just destroying a bunch of trees, and the right ones in the right areas, and doing it the right way. I'm not going to go into all the details of it. All right, so open this up right here. It says the first step to great skin is a great shave. A really interesting interior here. It's kind of a pink, like a, I don't know if it's just a two-tone. Got the instructions here right on the top. Scan here before opening for tips on how to honey. All right, let's just get in here. So we've got some crinkle paper in here. You have to glide, don't press, apply no pressure, slow down, no need for speed. Our blades are sharper than you think. Use short strokes, keep it short and sweet. All right, we've finally gotten to the main attraction, and holy cow, this thing's heavy. They talk about the all these components. This is a sugar cane, I believe this one was. Biodegradable sugarcane pulp means it can live a second life as a nursery pot or simply tossed in your compost bin in the shave compost bin. This is likely not going to become, especially because it's a flat fold, it's likely not going to become a flower pot. But this is an interesting design. I love seeing these where the mold is made in such a way and it's die cut that these sides aren't actually molded in. They're folded up after the fact. It's kind of a creative way to get nice clean edges. You don't need the draft on the side and stuff like that. It's more of a technical application, but it makes for a cleaner looking pack. And then inside here, we've got this difficult to get out little pack of razor blades. No pressure. They have been consistent so far, and I like that. They have told you so many times you don't need to apply pressure. So it feels like a little kind of, I don't know if it's waxed paper, but just paper wrap around the blades themselves. And then, I think, they've done a decent job of communication, right? The first thing that you saw when you opened this pack was instructions on how to use it. You're seeing over and over, hey, stop. Before you got to the razor, you saw this other card. It was like, don't push, don't go fast, don't do some of the things that you're used to. Short strokes. I think their consistency has been really cool. Then here, let's see what else we have in the pack. We've got this box with a really elaborate, can't tell if it's over molded or just soft touch coated. They talk a lot about sustainability in the pack, and they do talk about the this. I believe this was 100% post-consumer recycled plastic, which is great. However, there is no end of life discussion for this, so that's an interesting miss. The packaging is awesome inside and out. Like, graphically, it's beautiful. Blade bin Toss used blades here. Once full, recycle the bin and blades together. That is great. And we talked about this in a video. It was an Oko video where it was about small pieces of metal or aluminum and things like that. They've given you this tin, and they're saying put all the used blades into this tin and then recycle this whole tin together. That way the blades are safe, because you can't just throw those sharp metal blades into the recycling bin. And steel is actually one of the easiest things to recycle because of it's magnetic. They can pull out small bits of steel down a line with powerful magnets. So it's actually really easy to reclaim. And so that's a really thoughtful way. Love how they did that. And lastly, we have a hero holder. I'm guessing this is just something that holds your, yep. I don't know, I'd have to look at the instructions. I think it's yeah, that's right. Just a interesting little rubberized razor blade holder. For a brand that was really focused on sustainability, I think they've done some really cool things. There's some interesting moves here. This is some really heavy rubber coated metal, feels like steel piece. They've got this kind of rubber blade cap. And so for the element that you're going to be holding on to for a long time, great. They probably could have done some other things with materials. Love what they did with the blades. There's a couple other cool things that they've done in here. So I'm going to give an overall good job to Hanni. If there's anything that you've seen that's cool, that we should take a look at, let us know in the comments below. I'm sorry, I'm really intrigued. I kind of want to try it, but I just shaved. So let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching Unpacked.